Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make audio visualizer in Davinci Resolve. So let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do, first of all, the most important thing is to download. You have to download this Reactor, as you can see here. So scroll a little bit down and here you should see the download button. Just click on this download button, install this file, and then what you have to do is very important. And here in the Fusion panel, okay, where in the Fusion panel, open the folder where the Reactor file you installed, where it is located. Okay, open the folder, grab the file and drag it in the in here, and now click on install and launch. Okay, it's gonna take few minutes or seconds, depends on your computer. And now wait a couple of seconds, minutes. It's not going to take that long, okay, but it's very important to wait if you want to install this Reactor. That's going to help you to create an audio visualizer. And while this is loading, don't forget guys to subscribe for more tutorials. And if you want if you need something, if you're looking to learn something in Davinci, you have a suggestion for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. I'll really appreciate that. And now actually I'll pause the video. And now what you have to do guys is to search here in the search bar, right here in the search bar, SOC, and scroll down. You can also light SOC less so you can find it faster. And you need to check this, okay? And then once you checked this, you make sure you click on install. And now you have this checked. And also make sure you need to restart Fusion. Alright, and then just grab your video, okay, your logo or the thing that you want to use for the audio visualizer. Alright, okay, drag the video, and now we have the video in the Fusion panel. And here what you have to do is to simply grab a transform node, and here select the transform, right click, and here modify width, and here you should see modifiers and audio, okay, and select audio there. Okay, now go to modifiers, and here make sure it's a WAV file. You can add here the audio, your audio file, and make sure it's a WAV file. Now click on browse, and select your file. As I said, make sure it's WAV file if you want this to work. And now when you play the video, as you can see, the logo or whatever you used will start to emulate the music, the song. Okay, if you go to the edit panel, and here you add your own music, now you can grab the music and drag it here in the timeline. And now you can extend this logo. You can make this last longer till the very end of this song that you used here in the Fusion panel. Sorry, in here. Okay, you added this song. Now, and this is the tutorial guys. I hope you learned something. I hope this video helped you. If you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials. Thank you for watching and take care.